Great. It's raining. And then we're gonna get in at the right place and get the whole chicken out of it. Right now we are holding this Uber. What is Disney doing? Let's push on Disney. Ken is in Disney. Ken, you still in Disney? Well done. That's a beautiful move. Disney. Yeah. Um, I mean, we have so many earnings, so many tickers out there, guys. So gonna be a lot of fun. A lot of fun again. All right. All right, guys. AJ's in the room. Morning, AJ. Now trade well, read the notes very carefully, and let the trade come to you. I'm out. All right, guys, give me a minute. All right, guys, I'm I'm back.
All right, Jenny.
All right, so let's get started. Guys, keep an eye on your Uber. Look how it's flagging here. Just a minute. All right, today it's what is it today? What is that? The 7th?
Yep,
7th.
yep. May
Right.
7th.
All right, let's get started. So we got Uber. It's flagging here very, very nicely. So definitely keep an eye on Uber. If you break over that resistance here for a push up, all right, and see if we can get it up to that 89 resistance. Um, this Disney coming down support here, flagging. All right, it's a beautiful flag here on holding support here at the 100. So definitely keep an eye on this Disney, what it wants to do, if it's going to break over your trend line flag here and push it higher. We need to hold that 100, okay? If it goes breaking under that support line, it's going to come into this channel here again. We had it before, right? Broke over the channel when Ken pushed it up. So definitely keep an eye on this channel you are having here. You need to break under outside the channel for a downside move. So you need to break under the channel after for a downside move, okay? SMCI, just a minute, guys. All right, I'm back. So let's see what else we have. Um, we got this SMCI, beautiful base down here on SMCI, but we need to break over that resistance came up to, right? Came up, hit that resistance flag, and pulling right back down. So keep an eye on if we break over the trend line resistance for a push up on SMCI. UPST, another one that's making a nice little base here, is trying to give you that curl for an upside move. What your first resistance would be your trend line flag. All right, so let's go over to the SPY now. All right, let me zoom out. All right, SPY is coming in, to the first resistance here. We break that support line. Next support will be all the way down here. Minute. Let me put the line in place. Mhm. All right, so you're gonna come after that break on SPY. The next support will be all the way down here at the 538.50 line. All right, but what I want to see out of SPY today is I want to see a curl for an upside move. All right, so keep an eye on that. Let it break under now. Let it do what it wants to do. So what we want to see when the bell rings is to break above that resistance here and start pushing it up. All right, and it's gonna take up everything with it if we do that. So we had the Mr. MSTR. We had a beautiful topping up there. So right now, Mr. is coming down to the first level of support here. As you're short, if anybody took it, you are hitting the first level of support here on MSTR. Holding support, and you have the trend line flag here, right? So you want to see if you can push it above, push it up here, break over the resistance of the flag, and see if you can push it higher on MSTR. The same thing goes for coin as well. For an upside move you want, right? So definitely keep an eye on your coin right now, giving us just a little bit of a pullback, just like you did with MSTR. For an upside move on your coin, you want to see this one come up and see if you can push through the next resistance, which is going to be that line here, and that line is at 20120. Let's see what else we have. We have PLTR coming down, hitting support here right now. All right, you are hitting support right now on PLTR. It's not quite. Where's PLTR? Wait a minute. Like this, PLTR. You're hitting support right now. I know we went lower on PLTR. We came all the way down here on it, but right now this is a support line on PLTR. Okay, so if you put your trend line in place as well, you're gonna come up to this area here, just a little bit lower, but it's okay. We want to see if we can hold that support trend line, break over your trend line flag here again, right? Look, it's running out of space here, right? You want to break over the trend line flag and start pushing PLTR up. Other ones we had the AMD, right?
Yep.
Another one is this AMD here on earnings. Right now we are just grinding sideways. So what do we have? What else do we have? We have your trend line flag here that you want to get broken. You want to penetrate this line here for an upside move. The next resistance you're gonna find, Dina. The next resistance you're gonna find would be this
Yes.
100 spot 87. 100 spot 87 is your next resistance you want to push through.
Thank you.
All right. VST, another one that came out with earnings on your VST.
We had a
Um,
pepperoni.
came down to support here, held that support and bounced, but it's not breaking over your next resistance here, Dina. So you definitely want to see if you can push it through that resistance up here, which is at 144.21.
Okay, what's
All
the
right.
other one down below it? The 141.30
This one
or
down there,
well,
down
that
there.
one too. 138.14. Okay. And then what's the
And
other
the other one is
one? 141.48.
141.40.
Look at Uber.
or Uber.
Okay, thanks.
What are you doing, Uber? Yeah, it's coming up to resistance here again. Look how pretty it held that. So let's see if we're gonna push through that resistance on it. Um, let's go to Tesla. All right, Tesla is holding here. Oops, this one is wrong. This one is wrong. All right, so Tesla is holding support here. Made a little bit of a double bottom. Again, having a flag on it. So I would love to see that Tesla if you can get that curl for an upside move. Um, it all depends on that SPY now, all right? Be careful with that SPY. Nvidia broke under our support, coming a little bit lower. That's fine. Fine, we are not in it yet. So let's see if Nvidia is gonna give us that curl we are looking for an upside move. All right. And we want to see this one break above our first resistance of 113.85. Yeah. Want to break above that resistance. Right now, we are just coming down and still flagging here. All this is one huge flag on it. Still. So let's see if we're going to get a curl and break over resistance for a push. Again, it all depends what SPY wants to do. What were the other ones, DC, that had earnings? Were there any other ones that I missed? I forgot about?
Not this morning. We had ANET last night.
Annette, wait a minute. It was PLTR?
Yes, no, that was yesterday. That was Monday, actually.
That was Monday. Look how it's holding this PLTR. Yeah, all right.
Yeah.
We talk. It was wait a minute. UPST, right?
Yep, UPSD.
Yep. That's the one that was. Yep. So right now UPSD is holding. Still needs to break above for a push. All right. Let me see what else I got here, guys. Just a minute. Other ones that are setting up. Oracle. Holding support here on Oracle. Snow. That's earnings tomorrow, right? On Snow. I think it's tomorrow, right, DC?
I don't see it on the sheet.
Okay.
I mean,
Shopify's tomorrow.
The sheet was wrong.
Coins tomorrow after close.
Guys, this Okta is getting a little bit on the heavy side here. This one has a resistance at 116.18.
Did you see what Candace posted? She's watching ROK, CRL, and then Disney for possible gap fills.
See that? Rock? R-O-K.
ROK.
Oops.
Rockwell Automation is Alan Bradley. They make Alan Bradley
Oh,
PLCs.
Okay, this one needs to break under this support here. And that support is at 278. 278.14 is the line we need to break on ROK for a downside move.
278.14.
CRL.
Mm-hmm.
CRL. Ooh, that one has a beautiful flag for more. This one, guys, can push higher. CRL. All right. We are holding support. We are not breaking under and having this beautiful flag for more upside move. So definitely keep an eye on it. I know we are very, very light in volume right now, but damn, this one is it's good for one more push. As long as we hold that support on CRL, running out of space. Not much space here on CRL. So definitely keep an eye on it. CRL, and the other one was Disney.
Yeah, Disney.
Disney, yeah. Making a little bit of a double top here right now. So let's see if we get one more pop, top it off, and then pull it down. So definitely keep an eye on your support lines. Break
On
them and
Disney,
pull it.
on Disney or CRL or both?
On Disney, one more
Disney.
push.
One more
One more-
push.
Yeah, one more push. Break on the support here. You can take it down on Disney. But CRL, damn, it's pretty. Very pretty. Nothing on Delta. Delta. What do you have there, Casper? DAL, Delta Airlines.
He's talking about the
Overall-
script. He's not talking about Delta Airlines. He's
Oh.
talking about the chart that you were talking about earlier.
Okay, got it. Thanks, Condense.
You're welcome,
Gasper,
Habibi.
I sent it to you in a personal DM.
All right, guys, that's what I have this morning. We have another, 5-6 minutes left. Does anybody have anything else? Any other ticker? So let me put on SMCI is trying to break over your flag here. Let me put the Tesla up here. Oh, it's
Could
holding.
you go over ARM? It
ARM?
yeah,
Hey, ARM.
really choppy right now, but it did
Mhm.
go up to 26.
Yeah. This is your support line here, Dina. Your arm. What is that? 122. And you want to break over your resistance of a little bit lower. 124
Okay, thank you.
on arm. All right, let me put this. UPST is making a pop already here. NVIDIA. Put the SPY. And if we can get that SPY to curl for an upside move, right now it's trying to hold. So we said let it pull back, break over that resistance, and this is where we want to see a push now, right? For an upside move on SPY and take everything up with it. And Candance's CRM. Was it CRM?
CRL.
CRL. CRL. Beautiful rains in this CRL. Beautiful. Guys, this is beautiful rains in this CRL. All right. Volume is low though, so be careful with the direction, the volume, the break support lines, and all that, right?
Yeah, it's trading pretty good today though. I mean, it's already 2 million shares.
Mhm.
No, that's not true. That's got to be at 9:30. It starts.
On CRL, I have 100,000 on it.
Yeah. Okay, Gasper's good.
Good, Casper. All
Yeah, I
right.
have noticed that Disney does like the gap fill after earnings for some reason over the years. I've been watching it.
Yeah. So let breathe out here. Last breath on it on Disney and see if we can break under that support and hold it. All right.
Mm-hmm.
Video. NVIDIA coming down to the next support was a little bit lower, just a breath away before we look at the CRL. Is making a little bit of a move here right now. So
Yeah.
let's see if we're gonna get a curl on this Nvidia. There it is. Look at this pull on Nvidia right now. A little bit too violent move.
Tesla
Hello,
too.
everyone.
Why? Why are we getting those violent moves right now?
The VIX is up to $24.80, 24.79.
We have less than 2 minutes.
They're selling out of Nvidia and buying Disney.
Hmm. Nice pop on coin. Look at coin, right? Broke over the wanted that coin to make a move for an upside move, right? Holding that base here. Watch your resistance to break over for a push on coin. Coming up to the next level of resistance here. On coin, same thing you want to see of this Mr. If we're gonna get it. Mr. right now, it's still holding it down there. We are not getting any kind of a curl. What was the other one with the cars this morning? We had it up
Cars.
before.
Rivian? Not Rivian.
No, the other one with taxi drivers.
Oh, Uber.
Uber, yeah. What is that one doing? Is it doing anything? Still holding the came up and not pushing through right now. Spy's not giving us any kind of a curl. Disney is making a little bit of a pop here higher. So that's what we wanted, right? Just a little bit of a higher move. The higher it goes, the better it is. All right, here we go. CRL testing support here. Spy is not giving us any kind of a curl yet. Mr. broke under. Nvidia coming down to the next support. Nvidia. No curl on Spy yet. All right, Nvidia hitting the next support here, so let's see what it wants to do. Come on, Spy. We want to get that Spy to give us that curl. Still waiting for it. Getting a little bit of a double top here on Disney right now. A little bit of a double top. No curl yet. AMD. Pooh, nice pop on AMD. Look at this pop and dump on AMD. Damn. Come on, push, 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 push.
Out Disney short
Nvidia.
95.
Well done, Gajira. Come on, Spy, push, push.
PLTR short, excuse me, long 95%.
Beautiful move on PLTR. Let me show you this PLTR here. Look how it broke over resistance. Look at this move we are getting right now on PLTR, right?
Out more Disney
Broke
short
over.
here. If you're at an emotional component.
Push, push. Nvidia testing resistance support non-stop. Come on, Spy, push higher. Come on. Disney's coming down and testing support here, guys. Disney testing the support. The pop and dump we're getting on Tesla right now. Coin hitting the first resistance, not pushing through. This is not what we wanted, guys. This is not barely holding this SPY right now.
Out
SPY's not
Disney
giving
long
us that
95.
curl for it. Nice, well done. And Disney. It's still holding that support here on Disney. Look, it came down to it. We still need to break that support line. Still fighting with it.
I'm out of Sophie. Made another $80.
Well done, Ken. Come on. Tesla is coming down to the next support level on Tesla. Coming down to the next support here. SPY is not giving us that curl we are looking for. Not yet. NVIDIA doing absolutely nothing. PLTR made a beautiful move here. So what's this PLTR coming up to the one resistance here? Your next resistance here, it's a 110. On PLTR, you're hitting that resistance right now. So you want to push through here on PLTR for more upside. Disney still holding. Beautiful move on AMD. Broke over resistance, came down, hitting that support again and pushed over. Choppy though, it's not like it's a smooth one direction. SPY is trying to break on the support here again, guys. Not very good upside move we are having today.
I guess Nancy sold her TEM. It dropped.
TEM?
Yeah.
Oh man, that was the one from pre-market.
Yeah.
Look at the beautiful topping we were calling out, and now it's at $49 from
Once he sold the
54.
stock.
Yeah, beautiful. CPL testing support here. Drill is trying to hold it. Volume is light on it. All right, so we have the chosen one today, right? Chosen one is speaking, FOMC. So, I mean, normally the market should be pop and pull, and then just go sideways until the FOMC. Nice bounce on Nvidia of support. Tesla is still trying to hold here. Disney holding. DC, did Casper get the script?
Yep. He's
Alright.
good.
Got it. Thank you.
No problemo.
CRL is trying to break on the support here,
Mm-hmm.
taking it down.
Mm-hmm.
Well done. Well done. Guys, I don't know if any of you is shorting this CRL. Volume is light on it, but the range in it is beautiful. That's a lot of points you can make on it, all right?
Yeah, for sure.
Just move your stops. Tesla is holding here, guys, making a little bit of a curl. SPY is doing absolutely nothing at this support line. PLTR coming up to 111. PLTR, a beautiful move on it. Look how it broke over, coming up to the next resistance, 111 here. You want to see if you can push over this resistance line on PLTR and go even higher, hitting the next level of resistance. Move your stops up.
His CRL trade's working out really well.
Mm-hmm. Well done, DC. Yeah, thanks, Condense.
Yeah, Cane Dance, thank you so much.
Tesla slowly coming up to resistance here. We need to break through. Disney is still holding. Come on, SPY. Push. Push. NVIDIA testing resistance as well. Disney's doing absolutely nothing right now, just holding it there. Come on, NVIDIA, push through. Apple is testing the first resistance here. Apple, which is at the 198.32, the line you need to break. NVIDIA still having issues. CRL. See what it wants to do at the next level of support. My next level of support is down here.
On
What is
CL,
that?
135.
133.55. All the way down there.
Mm.
It's my next support on CRL. Take it down. Take it down.
I sold a third. I just got 150 shares. I sold 50
Yeah.
already. Yeah.
Good. Good.
And it doesn't take much when you move 6-7 points, right?
Exactly. When it has beautiful rains in it.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mr. Trying to break over resistance here on Mr. So we broke over. We want to push through here now on Mr. Push through. For more upside move. Disney is still not doing anything. We're not breaking down on it. PLTR, beautiful move on PLTR today. AMD, what are you doing? Holding support still. Look how many times it came down to this support line here. Holding,
Yeah.
holding.
PLTR was very pretty.
Very pretty. Well done, Dina.
Yes, it was.
Well done.
Got it at 107.4.
On PLTR,
Yeah,
107. You got it all the way down here.
I did. Yeah,
Good
Well
job.
done, Dina. That's beautiful.
yeah. I got
That's
it.
a heck of a
Let's
trade.
see.
That is one heck of a
Got it
trade.
at 9:13.
Mhm. Perfect.
I'm just gonna hold.
Always pay yourself a little bit. Leave some on the table. Put your
Yeah.
stops in place.
Got to
You know the
stop
drill.
to protect ourselves.
Exactly.
We need our
Protection, protection, protection.
I think we're going to get another shot at everything here as soon as I get closer to FOMC.
Well, I'm hearing that he might not change it, so
That's fine. It's
yeah.
the drama up to it, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
I just think people are trading more than usual. Usually nothing happens before this. And I just feel like people are in the market. They're trading stuff this morning. Which is good.
Yeah. Guys, we still need to break above that little upper resistance here on SPY, and it's not doing it. Still having issues.
Out PLTR, short 95%.
On PLTR, the Gajora.
There's a prior
Nice.
61 long term right at what was it 110.63. So yeah, I got out 95% short.
Yeah, well done.
And Jenny, we're not giving it back today, right?
No, we are not giving anything back.
I'm giving nothing back.
Nothing back.
I'm gonna be greedy. Give nothing back.
Yeah.
All right, you're now at the current 23 retracement on PLTR. So good spot if you want to take a little bit of profits on the short if you haven't already.
Right now, the CRL is testing resistance here a couple of times, coming up, touching it. Keep an eye on this scanner here, guys. We're getting a lot of small tickers showing up on the scanner. Look at this. PRCH. Look at this range on this one. Wow.
Yeah, you're getting a lot.
Kuri, CLOV, GPUS, EVGO. Nice moves we're getting right now.
I remember EVGO being like $5 or something, $6. What is it at? 3.
Yeah.
Good boy.
But this PRCH, my God, this has nice move. Already made what, the 2 points from 8 coming up to 10 almost.
Okay. Oh, they had I think they had earnings. Yeah.
About 95% of your PLTR long. Look at this candle on the 1 second, 1 minute as it bounces perfectly off that 23 daily retracement.
Yeah, beautiful. Good job.
Pew, pew.
Keep you.
Candle is nice, baby.
It's a big boy.
Damn, look at this pull we are getting right now.
Oh, don't say that.
Look at Tesla. Look at the pull we are getting.
Not. It's too early for that, Jenny.
Yeah, but it is happening.
It is what it is.
It's happening.
It's happening. Watch out.
Buy. Everything's pulling right now. MSTR. Look at this pulls. Apples, Carvanas. Uh, mm,
Out Tesla short 95%, looking for an SCR around here.
anybody have any news on if anything is up with this pull we are getting? Because it's a little bit too violent, the move. It's not like it's breaking on the support here. Spy still trying to hold it, but
Let's see. Let me look at that news.
I was calling your name before, Dina.
You were? For what?
Yeah,
Which one?
because you and DC, because Casper was asking me about this Delta,
Oh,
and
the
and I said, well, Dina and DC are the ones who
trading
knows more about it.
yeah. Oh, let's look at the delta for SPY. Jenny would like that. Let's see. The delta's negative 67% for SPY.
Right. That's not good for an upside move.
No, it's double sellers.
Mm-hmm.
Twice as many.
So the sellers are double up, huh?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Yeah.
Almost an even split. Twice as many sellers and half buyer.
Candence's Rock, ROK, made a beautiful double top here, guys.
Well, did Prom get it figured out? The delta
Prom?
stuff?
Yeah.
I mean,
Gasper.
I'm
Yeah.
sorry, Gasper. Okay, good.
Disney is still holding, huh? Doesn't want to break down, guys. It's probably, it looks like, you know what Disney looks like right now? Looks like Pony yesterday. Look at Pony go up to 15. Anita,
pony.
We were talking about this pony. I don't know if you took it. Beautiful move, 2
Oh
points.
my gosh. Yeah, it's a 15 round. Oh,
Mhm.
missed that one.
We were talking about it with Nita this morning. That it was holding and flagging.
That's
Yeah.
what you get when you don't listen, right? You miss out.
Yes.
But I did good on AMD. I got
You did.
2.7 points. I got that pop, that quick
Mhm.
pop.
Perfect. Well done, Dina.
Thank you.
And now it's coming down to support here again on AMD, huh? Trying to break on the support here on AMD.
We're gonna get another round.
Mhm. This rock is still holding. ROK. Are we gonna go sideways from now on until FOMC?
Exactly. See, we got
Oh boy.
4 more hours.
Yeah.
So I think we had a pop, so it's kind of like I'm gonna be cautious
Guys,
now.
PLTR is flagging here for more, all right? PLTR.
It's not done.
It's not done. To this PLTR here. Giving you a nice flag. They're holding it up, so you want to see it break over resistance here and push higher. Next resistance we have on PLTR would be what is that? What is that? What are you?
I got 112.05.
I got
A 112 would be nice.
I got 112.87. That's
I like
about
yours
right.
better.
Wait a minute, isn't bigger better?
That's what I'm saying. I like your price better. Isn't it? Didn't you say
Yeah.
112.87?
Mine is bigger than yours.
Let's see if it'll stay up there. Let's see if we can get up there.
Yeah.
Hmm.
Get it over that double top here, all right? Get it over. Oh, come on. Okay, it's getting a little bit boring right now. Hello.
Here we go.
Hello. Come on.
So that's what I was saying. I'm surprised that there's so much movement. Usually, there isn't much
Yeah.
on this special day.
Mhm. Mountain Dew. Mountain Dew. Careful with this double top now.
Mountain Dew, you gotta love it.
Spice coming up to resistance here.
I'm taking a little bit more off the top here. PLTR one.
Mhm. Damn, this rock is still holding here, Candence. Spice testing resistance here. Having a little bit of issues breaking over. Come on, Spy. Push through, man. Come on. How many hours do we have left until the chosen one?
4.
4 hours.
4 hours. Oh my god.
4 hours. You didn't want to hear that, did you?
Oh boy. 4 hours. That's a long time. Yeah, Kajora. Spy is not breaking over resistance here. Just tested.
Hey, Janny, have you looked at this ASST?
ASST. Yeah, from this morning. Oh, nice move. Yeah, it was in pre-market today. It was making a move. Beautiful.
Yeah, I just
Coming up to
seen if you
225 now. Yeah.
noticed where it's at now.
Yeah. Look at this PRC8 here. Still flagging it down here. It has beautiful range in it, guys. PRC8. Nice flag. Holding.
Come on, Tesla. Just snap that trend line. Let's go.
I can't. That's really annoying with this Tesla today.
I know I should have got in pre-market when it was 279 when we talked about it.
Yeah. Keep an eye on this PRCH. PRCH showing up on the scanner nonstop, all right?
Perch.
Mhm. Oh la la. All right, guys, give me a minute.
Out PLTR short 95. Remember, this one is short sale restricted today. Now out 95% of PLTR long. Woo, gotta love this.
Pew pew.
Pew pew to the day that I die. I'm just hoping that day isn't today or tomorrow or a year from now.
Mhm.
Boy, is it just me or is the market gone into snail mode already? Feels like a volume left.
Spark's gone.
Everybody waiting for 2 p.m. It sounds like.
2 p.m. can't get here fast enough.
Say that again.
I said 2 p.m. can't get here fast enough.
About 95% of, gosh, I almost said hymns, a PLTR short back to a channel trade here from the open to where we're at now. You got your daily 23 still holding at 110.66. They've tested that high quite a bit. So again, this is short sale restricted today.
So well done, guys. On CRL DC, you have retesting PLTR testing support. Tesla is doing nothing, and SPY is still having issues breaking over resistance here. Disney, what are you doing? Are you doing anything? Getting a nice pop on Reddit here. Nvidia pushed through. See what Disney is doing here. Still holding Disney and flagging. So keep an eye on Disney for more break over your trend line flag for more push. Candence's rock slowly coming down to support. Look how PLTR is holding that support line. Come on, SPY, push through, man, push. Well, definitely, guys. A lot of tickers out there are very, very choppy today. With the chosen one coming up and to speak, coming down to support here, DC, on your CRL with Candance. Candance, DC, are you in here? You're coming down to support and hitting on CRL.
Yep, I'm in here.
You got it?
Yeah,
Well
I
done,
see
DC.
it.
So let's break under that support and pull it again.
What are you pulling, Janny?
This CRL. Coming down, hitting support here right now. Look at SPY, man. Coming up to resistance, pulling again. Taking things down again. Damn you. All right, the Apple is coming up to the first resistance. Apple. Come on, CRL, pull, man. Pull. Let me show you this Apple here. Coming up, hitting the first resistance point on Apple. Mister is also having issues breaking over. MSTR came up. Look how many times it came up, hitting it, hitting it, hitting it. Doesn't want to push through. Tesla is breaking support, going a little bit deeper. Taking things down right now, SPY is. CRL is giving us a little bit of a pop here of that support. And PLTR is still flagging here. So let's see what this, it's running out of space, not much space left on this PLTR here. Be careful if you're in it, Dina. To break over that resistance and push it again, PLTR.
I hear you. So Nancy has VST. So I guess she just sold her VST.
VST, huh?
Yeah. I see 130. Let's see. 130.
ASST showing up on the scanner here again. Going higher. ASST. This is the last breath out of it, all right? So be careful now on this ASST.
Oh, they're merging with it says they're going to launch a Bitcoin treasury firm. That's why ASST
Right.
is going up.
Coming up to what, 250 up here? So what's for a pullback on it? So be careful now on this ASST.
Yeah, we need a little runner, Janny. Find us a little runner.
Well,
I
keep
know
an
you're
eye on
trying.
the scanner then, Dina.
I know. I just want to do a little runner.
Mm-hmm.
That'd be fun.
Let's see what else we have. We had this SMCI, right? SMCI from the open, broke over. Now it's making a little bit of a double top here. Cautious with SMCI at this point. Would like to see this one hold that support line. Don't let it break under, right? This line we don't need anymore. We remove it.
They did not do good on their earnings. I don't think they had earnings.
Right. Which one did I have up here now? Forgot it. A
Oh,
SST.
yeah.
No. Was it that one? No.
Mhm.
Can't be. Oh man, look how many times I got holded. That's terrible. I cannot trade things like this. Damn. Here comes the pullback on it as well. Tesla is testing resistance here. SPY is testing again. Gonna pull here on SPY again. Oh boy, this SPY today has been a pain in the butt. All right, does anybody have any questions? Anything else you guys want to talk about? Right now, SPY is still holding that resistance, doesn't want to push through. PLTR is still flagging here. Nice little pull on ROK. Candence is ROK. CRL is still holding that support line. Don't need this line anymore.
Baby.
Yes.
I'm watching Halo for a potential short as well, but it's not giving it up here yet. So
Halo.
Halo, you know, like the angel.
Hello. H A.
Halo.
Oh, hello. Hello. Hello.
Halo.
Hello.
Halo.
Okay. Hello.
Halo.
Hola.
Hey.
Hola.
Hello.
What I would like to see one more pop on it, Candence,
Oh.
on hello. So let's see. This is my resistance. It would be better if we could get one more push out of it. Believe me, it would be more
All
better.
right. No better, no better.
Man, this SPY today, damn. UPST made a nice move today. Anybody UPST? So we were talking about it down here on UPST and 47 now. Damn it, again I have a PLTR. Coming down wants to retest the support here, PLTR. Let me move my line. And again, the lines are moving on this stupid platform. Oh.
I'll take a short in Halo at 71 spot 80.
Hello.
Halo.
7. My God.
71
uh,
spot 80.
71
there.
spot 80. And why is Candence saying 71 spot 80? All right.
Don't tell everybody my secrets.
No.
Joking. Oh my God. My back. Come on. This
Look how
market
the
is
line,
crazy.
Come look at my line, my support line exactly at the 23.
Uh-huh.
Exactly.
Yeah, I thought it would get down to there, but nothing so far.
Mhm.
We'll see.
And SPY's being stupid.
It's rather extended for its average, but I still think they're flagging it to get up to that next level. Yeah, we'll say whatever.
Mhm.
All right, let's see. What do we got?
PLTR breaking
Fine.
support here, at least trying to.
I'll take a future short at 56. Hold on a second. Gotta get this straight here.
Get your numbers straight.
Right.
How much did you say?
What?
How much did you say? Short on SPY? What?
I'm not
Oh yeah, you're doing
I have
futures.
to
Right.
look. I have to
All
look.
right.
Yeah. It'll probably be 56.67.
Hmm.
Few.
Tesla is hitting the next level of support here on Tesla. So let's see if we're gonna have the momentum to push through. Be careful. Do not trust it. All right. Do not trust this Tesla or anything else. Don't trust your SPY, even though it's breaking over resistance. Do not trust it. Mhm. See PLTR. Giving us a little bit of a pullback here.
Need a coffee already. I'll be back.
Already?
I know.
All right.
It's one of those mornings. Look at this. I mean, it's like,
Yeah,
you know,
I know.
I mean, CRL and Rock have been good. But I thought Disney would give us a little bit more.
Yeah.
But they do love to hold that thing up, so
Mhm.
whatever.
Yeah.
Let me see here.
SPY is testing support. Halo coming down to your support here, Candence. This buy guys today it's doesn't want to do anything, all right? So be cautious now. All right, let's see what else we can find here. Tesla is hitting the max resistance. PLTR giving us a little bit of a pullback. APP is trying to make a little bit of a curl. APP.
Go away, I come
Apple.
back, and nothing's happened.
Nah. Your Halo coming down to support here.
Finally.
Apple is a little bit on the heavy side. SPY on the heavy side. Amazon on the heavy side. And Meta on the heavy side right now.
Give you another crazy one. ULS.
ULS.
Look at that thing.
Mhm. Yeah. Your rock. Give us a nice little pull. Very pretty.
Yeah, Rock and CRL were good for like what, 10?
Yeah.
Almost 10 on Rock. Almost 10. I think.
Very
So
pretty.
far.
Beautiful double top here on rock.
Hmm.
Yeah.
Yeah, I really don't like these, these aren't high beta names, right? So they don't
Mhm.
move fast. It's not like, oh my God, like, this thing, they crawl in comparison to what we're used to. So I just like trade these and forget it. Like I set my targets and I forget about them because if you keep watching it, you'll drive yourself crazy. It's like SPY today.
Mhm.
Like it melts, but it melts super slow,
Yeah.
Take a look at what else we've got here. There's another one with a nice range called Voya, Voya.
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 Oh, finally, you pronounced it correctly.
I know. It's terrible. My English is
Oh,
horrible.
I like this one.
Mm-hmm.
I like this one.
Mm-hmm.
Voya.
I only give you
Voya.
ones you're gonna like.
Beautiful, guys. Voya, and then is talking about. So you have this trend line here that you want to break and see if you can pull it. Volume, 0 right now. Resistance on it, very, very short resistance point. On Voya, you want to break and pull. So let's see if we can get one more push, last breath out of it. Very light volume, so be careful with this one right now, coming in at 700. Let's see if we can break onto that support line and pull it. PHIO showing up on the scanner. PHIO. PLTR, it's coming down to the next level of support. PLTR.
Yeah, Janie,
Hello is
PLTR is hitting your daily 38 right
yeah. Well done, Kajura. So let's see if we're gonna break that support line and pull that PLTR. Halo is trying to hold. Let me show you this PLTR here. Coming down to the next level of support here. Let's see what it wants to do. ASST showing up on the scanner. CRL is still glued to that support line down here. Next support you have on Voya, if we're going to break, would be that 64, 65. I can still not forget that car that DC was showing me yesterday. Damn,
Late.
it was ugly.
poor Slate.
Ugly. The shoes, my God.
Very unhappy. All right, so I flipped long on the halo at that low, but because I still think we're
Mhm.
getting to that 71 spot 80,
Mhm.
where I do want to flip short then.
Right.
But we'll see. They may not.
Yes.
They might double top it on me and be like laughing at me.
Yeah. Kajora, are you
Um,
shorting this PLTR?
Yes, sir. I've got about let's see, 2.5% of the original float still active. So not a ton, but it's been a profitable trade
Yes.
down.
Yes, it has been very pretty.
you play PTIR, Kajora?
PLTR, yeah, I took it up and then
No,
started taking it down.
no, PTIR. It's the 2 times levered ETF based on PLTR.
No, I didn't. I just played PLTR.
Yeah, you get 2 times the move. I'll write it in the thing.
I
Be
yeah, I
interested
know
in trading
Tesla's
this in
got
the future.
something like that. I know you guys, or excuse me, a bunch of stocks have stuff like that. Typically I just play the regular stuff. I have to look at it though. Thanks for the heads up.
Mm-hmm. Anytime, my friend. It's got big range. I mean, PLTR has great range anyway, the high beta, but
Are you talking about HIMS?
no, PLTR.
Oh, because you said huge range. So okay, so you're talking about PLTR. Got it.
PLTR, yeah.
What is HIMS doing yesterday? I was being just again. It's pushing.
Yep.
Nice.
Actually,
Hmm?
Habibi,
Mm-hmm.
this. Wait a minute. Is this my level? No, it's coming up to my level. Well, it's kind of in the spot. It's in the spot, but they look like they're flagging it. So let's get it up to 54. Right? We talked about this yesterday. So my short
On
entry
on
is.
HIMS.
On HIMS, yes. Him.